Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ebony if you are new here. In today's video, we are doing another clean with me video. So of course we are starting in the bedroom today, gonna make the bed, gonna straighten up a few things in here. I also am going through each room and just tidying up each space. We are actually going out of town this weekend, so I'm also going to give you guys some motivation towards the end as far as like a pack with me. So like I said, we have lots to get done today. So if you have anything on your to-do list, let's go ahead and do it together. So like you just saw, I wanted to water our plants. That's one thing I really need to work on today, just because we're going to be out of town for about 4 days. So we're in the bathroom now, and I just want to go ahead and pack everything up. So each room that I'm going to, if there's anything I need to pack, I'm going to go ahead and tackle it then. And then we're going to wipe off the mirror and then the countertop as well.
If you say that you don't wanna get close to me, close to what we used to be, yeah. But I just feel like dancing. Are you feeling the groove? Oh baby, won't you love me? Won't you love me? Won't you love me? Love me like yesterday. Don't you feel it? How it feels, baby. Won't you love me? Oh, but kinda new way. Oh, but kinda new. Tell me you're feeling it too, babe. And love me like yesterday. Oh, but kinda new. Tell me you're feeling it too. And love me like yesterday. Love me like yesterday. Yesterday. When the sun goes down.
So the next space we're going to work on is the dining room area and the kitchen area. We're just going to put everything back where it goes. I also needed to put these clothes back into Eleni's room, and then we're going to wipe down everything as well.
I shiver inside with a heavy heart. I know what I've done, and I'm too afraid to let it go. If I could, I would turn back time. If I could, I would take it all back. If I could, I would bring back all the memories, not yours, only in my dreams. Oh, if I could.
So anytime we go on vacation, whether the trash can is full or not, I always make sure to take out the trash. But the next thing we're going to do, I'm going to give you guys some laundry motivation. So always make sure all the laundry is done for the most part whenever we're going on vacation as well. So we're going to go ahead and fold the laundry because I needed to use several pieces of clothing for the trip anyway. So I'm going to give you guys that motivation. So like I said, if you have anything on your to-do list, let's go ahead and get it done together.
I would take it all back if I could. I would bring back all the memories, not yours, only in my dream. Oh, if I could, I would turn back time if I could. I would take it all back if I could. I would bring back all the memories, not yours, only in my dream. Oh, if I could. Satisfying you while I keep bleeding. I don't know why you act like you innocent. You wanna take a piece of my heart again.
If you have been enjoying this video so far, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel here. I post on cleaning, organizing, decluttering, any type of motivation to get something done. If you are needing that type of motivation in your life right now, you will definitely love it here, and I would love for you to be a part of my YouTube community.
Oh, it feels like yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow, yellow, yellow. You had to let me go, yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow. We tried too many times. Don't misbehave. You must not know me. You make me crazy, kinda like Johnny. Don't sit down, better, making me lose my mind, 'cause I just don't know. Something in your eyes, the way you stare me that I like. I wanna let you go, but it's like something else me tight. You might break my heart tonight, but I'm gonna hold it tight. Oh, it feels like yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow, yellow, yellow. You had to let me go, yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow. We tried too many times. Ooh, got me feeling cool.
While I was tackling the other spaces, Lee went ahead and shampooed the carpet. We just thought this would be a perfect time to go ahead and get it done. So she went ahead and moved the couch and then vacuumed underneath the couch area. So I'm going to go ahead and just put everything back together, and then we are going to move on to the kitchen area.
It hurts like yellow, yellow, yellow. You had to let me go. Heartbreaks and heartaches. We tried too many times. Heartbreaks and heartaches. We tried too many times. No one knew you like I do. Wonder why you want me by your side, like all the time. You want my love all night. Telling me lies, maybe stop telling me lies. Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, it feels so nice. We time, you I know how to make me feel right. I can't
mentioned in my previous video that I was going to have Eleni's bedroom makeover video be this video. However, I just knew I wasn't going to have enough time to edit that video because that just requires a lot more editing than like a traditional clean with me. So that's why I ended up putting this video out, but definitely know that the bedroom makeover will be out this coming week. So just stay tuned for that video.
It feels so nice, I can't help got this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk. You need to say less to me. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. We've been dancing all night long, right here with you way too long. Don't want nothing here or now, but I'm done waiting, done wasting my time. Got this sweet talk, I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, you need to say less to me. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. Sweet talk, sweet
So now that we got the living room back together, we're going to go ahead and move on to my office space.
Like the day before, you're like a stone on my pillow. I don't make a sound when I shut the door. You don't have to wake up yet. We can spend all day in bed. I'll put the TV in the room. We'll have a Netflix marathon, Kenny G saxophone. We'll order in a bunch of food. I'll put your favorite music on all the way.
So now that we tackled that laundry earlier, I'm going to go ahead and start this pack with me. So I'm going to give you guys some motivation on that. But like I said, if you have anything on your to-do list, I want you to go ahead and whether it's to make your bed or switch over your laundry or maybe fold your laundry, let's go ahead and do that together right now. I definitely want to mention, normally when I do like a pack with me, I feel very overwhelmed. But honestly, today, I don't know if it was because I was recording a video that I sort of felt more organized, but I felt pretty proud of myself today just because I had everything together, because I actually had to pack Eleni's as well, but I packed it earlier that morning, so I just sort of waited on my clothes. But I don't know if it was the fact that I washed all of our clothes and then I had plenty of clothes to pack and get all together or what it was, but I definitely tried my best to pack minimal just because I normally pack way too much and then I don't wear half the stuff. So I definitely gave myself minimal options this time, and I was pretty, like I said, I was pretty proud of myself for packing minimal, but also just staying on top of it and staying organized in regards to packing for a vacation.
We can spend all day in bed. Saxophone. We'll order in a bunch of food. I'll put your favorite music on all the way baritone. Shut the lights, go infrared. We can spend all day in bed.
I would say we were good together. I would say we had fun.
guys enjoyed this video. I hope it inspired you to get something done today, whether that's to simply make your bed or tackle a task today. I hope you guys have a great week, and I will see you guys on Wednesday as well. So as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Yeah. I can hurt you like you